Today is another grammar lesson. We're going to look at the verb be using this structure: subject, verb and noun. And the nouns we're going to be using today are teacher for me and student for you guys. Hello, my name's Margaret. Welcome to another lesson with me. Today we're looking at grammar using be. Singular pronouns. I am. Now, a teacher. I am a teacher. You. You are students. Or singular, you are a student. That's what you are. You're learning, watching this video. You are a student. The boy, he is. He is a student, or if it's a boy, teacher, he is a teacher. Girl, she is. She is a student. She is a teacher. It is. Can't really say it is, but let's put a noun on there. Let's put another noun. Dog. When we don't know if it's a he or a she, it's a thing, we use, the pronoun it. It is a dog. It. Plural pronouns. We are teachers. So there's lots of us teaching on YouTube at the moment. So we are teachers. Plural, S on the noun. They are students. They are students. They are watching us, or they are watching me. You all are students. You all watching this video today are students. You all are students. So we've been looking at the verb be in our sentences today. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. Plural, we are. They are. You all are. What's the difference? I am, singular. I am. You are, we are, they are, you all are. Are. Third person, is. That's the verb of be. Okay? And today we've been looking at this sentence structure: subject, verb and noun. For our sentence, I am a teacher. You are a student. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope it's useful. If it is, let's give it a like. And then if you want to watch any other of my videos, subscribe to my channel and have fun with learning. Thanks for watching today. Bye bye.